What's up, Sports Legends? It's your boy Hamslam, and today we got two blaster boxes of Monopoly Panini Prizm. So let's check this out before we get into it because I wasn't aware last time.
It says, also look for these randomly inserted cards. Base Prizm, Silver Nebula, Boardwalk, Blue Tiger Strike, Base Running Man, Mr. Monopoly. Deal free parking, base question mark numbered to 25, base brown, light blue, pink, orange, purple, gold, green, boardwalk, blue, black, gold, numbered 299 to 1, base gold, millionaire, shimmer red, millionaire, purple millionaire, green millionaire, blue millionaire, pink millionaire, white millionaire, numbered 500 to 1. And we did recently hit a gold Zion shimmer millionaire.
And a bunch of other stuff. Anyway, somebody play my theme music. So these Monopoly pack or blaster boxes are so fun to open. So we have 6 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. Only thing is they're a little pricey. Real quick, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. We are going to do a blaster box giveaway when we hit 50 subscribers. So to be qualified for the giveaway, you must be subscribed to the channel. And with that being said, let's get into pack number 1. Wow, that pack did not open right. Alright, pack number 1. We got Dame, Bob Carrington rookie, Jimmy Butler, and Brendan Ingram. Pack number 2. Jaren Jackson Jr., Franz Wagner, Isaiah Collier, and Cameron Thomas. Pack number 3. Also, real quick, if you like any of the cards in this video, there's a link in the description. I'll be selling most of them on eBay. Scotty Barnes, LaMelo Ball, Donovan Mitchell, and Reed Shepherd rookie. Nice. Next pack. We got Larry the Legend. Oh, I see a red wave Prizm. Shaquille O'Neal. It's got to be a good one right here. Watch. Chicago Bulls, Dennis Rodman, red wave Prizm. And another Isaiah Collier. It's kind of disappointing to get the same exact player, same exact card in a box that only has 24 cards. Karl Anthony Towns, Jaylen Brown, James Harden, Anthony Davis. Next pack. I don't know if you can hear that in the background, but there is a thunderstorm right now. So if you hear some thunder, that's what it is. I see another red wave Prizm. Jamal Murray, Devin Carter rookie. Who we got? RJ Barrett. And DeAndre Ayton. Next pack. Got another red wave Prizm. We got the Joker. Oh, my camera's a little blurry. Alright. Brandon Miller, Steph Curry, and Kawhi Leonard. Yeah, I opened a blaster the other day and I did not record it, but I did hit a Zion Gold Shimmer numbered. I think I have it up here. I'll pull it out. Jason Tatum, Stephen Castle rookie, LeBron James, Chet Holmgren. Let me see if I got that card real quick. Oh, here it is. Zion Gold Shimmer numbered 338 of 500. Nice card. I have no clue what it's worth though. Cannot find any comps anywhere on YouTube. Alright, next pack. Alright, we got 4 packs left. Let's get a little Monopoly magic. Somebody's trying to hit Boardwalk over here. Franz Wagner. We got Chuck, Charles Barkley, Cameron Thomas, and Donovan Mitchell. Alright. Put a hotel on Boardwalk. Scotty Barnes. Camera's a little blurry. LaMelo Ball. Another Reed Shepherd rookie. And DeAndre Ayton. 2 packs left. Wow, these packs are not opening very good. Maybe it's just me. Alright, Timmy Duncan. Magic Johnson, Klay Thompson, Brandon Ingram. Well, Magic Johnson card looks cool. Oh, I didn't even notice that Klay Thompson is a silver. Nice. Alright, last pack Magic. Remember to like and subscribe because I have a lot of content coming up. I have a lot of cards coming in, and remember we're gonna do a blaster box giveaway when we hit 50 subscribers, so make sure to subscribe, like the video. Alright, KD, another Dame, Cade Cunningham, and Jimmy Butler. Alright, let's check out big hits in here. We got that Charles Barkley Red Wave Prizm. Got a Brandon Miller Red Wave. RJ Barrett. Got the Dennis Rodman. I like that card. I may keep that one for my personal collection. We hit that Klay Thompson Silver. Reed Shepherd rookie. Stephen Castle rookie. And another Reed Shepherd rookie. Huh. I like that. Anyway. That's it for your boy Ham Slam. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.